In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set ChatGPT Search as your default search engine in Google Chrome. We're going to walk through the full setup process in a simple and practical way. So by the end, you'll be able to search directly from Chrome's address bar using ChatGPT Search. This is a quick process, but it helps to do each part carefully so everything works properly. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure Chrome is fully loaded and that you have a stable internet connection, since you'll need access to the Chrome web store to install the extension. Once Chrome is open, go to the Chrome web store. This is where Chrome extensions are officially available for download. When you arrive at the store, use the search bar to look for the official ChatGPT search extension. Be sure to choose the official version so you're installing the correct tool and not a similar looking alternative. When you find the extension, open its page and click Add to Chrome. Chrome will then show a confirmation prompt with some basic information about what the extension needs in order to work. Review that prompt and then confirm the installation to continue. After a few moments, the extension should be added to Chrome. At this point, Chrome may automatically apply the search engine change, but in some cases, you may need to manage it manually. If that happens, open Chrome settings. From there, go to the search engine section so you can review your current default search options. Look for ChatGPT search in the available search engines list and set it as your default search engine. If you don't see the change right away, give Chrome a moment to update or reopen the browser settings and check again. Sometimes extensions need a few seconds to finish configuring in the background. Once ChatGPT search is set as the default, the final step is to test it. Click into the address bar at the top of Chrome, type a search query, and press enter. If everything is set up correctly, your search should now run through ChatGPT search instead of your previous default search engine. That's all there is to it. If you follow these steps carefully, you should have ChatGPT search working directly from your Chrome address bar in just a few minutes. This can make searching feel more seamless and convenient, especially if you want quick access without visiting a separate website each time.